Fear talks loud. Your love is tried and true. Yahweh Masi, my rock and my fortress. Guard my heart where the storm breaks through. The world can rage outside your shelter, but I can breathe in you.
There are hundreds of names for God hidden in Scripture, and every single one is a lifeline for a different season of your life. Join the journey. Share this video to start a real conversation with the people you love, and let's get closer to Him, name by name.